Welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a function in Excel. The function called as transpose function. What is the purpose is it returns a vertical range of cells as a horizontal range. That means converts the vertical data into the horizontal data without changing that value. Don't worry that the value won't be get that interchanged. It will be as before only. Now I will show with help of one example that is available here. First, what you have to do is you have to copy the data. Okay. Do Control C. Select one single cell. Now just paste it. Okay. I have pasted it. And here it shows function. Either you can choose paste or paste special, depends upon the Excel versions. Here it shows the function transpose. If you click it, it will automatically change the what? A vertical range into horizontal range. Here Chennai, Bangalore horizontally displayed. Now it is vertically displayed. Okay. Vice versa also you can do that. Okay. Here January, February and March displayed vertically. Now it shows horizontally. Opposite way also you can do that. This is the main usage of the transpose function. You will see some other functions in the next video. Thanks. Bye.